Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix. You need a permission to perform this action when you are opening any folder. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are opening any folder and that folder is not opening and you are seeing the error, you need permission to perform this action on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. Suppose you have to go to the folder which you are facing the issue. Suppose if, for example, I am showing on this folder, you have to just right click on that folder, then click on property, then go to the security. Below you will find here advanced, click on the advanced. Here you will find change, click on the change. In this you have to just click on this advanced, then click on find now. In this list you need to find your PC name. My PC name is Dell. You have to select your PC name from here. If you don't know your PC name, what you have to do, you have to just click on this start menu, then here you will find your PC name. Just click on this Dell, then click OK. Here you will find your PC name, then click OK, then click on apply, then click OK, then click OK and restart your PC. After restarting, hope you can access your folder. That's it guys. So this way you can fix. You need permission to perform this action on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.